Hi girls, this is your teacher Kevin. I want to say you guys did a great job on dancing this whole year. I'm so proud of you guys and I can't wait for next year. And accept more girls, be you guys more sister for you guys and dance together as a family. And thank you to all the parents for supporting your girls and thank you so much. Without you guys we won't have this. And yeah, and thank you to all friends and supporters for helping us. Thank you. Talk with the mom. They're very funny and yeah, mostly Lee. She's very funny. Yeah, and parents, you guys love to spoil me a lot, I know. But thank you guys so much. I know you guys love me as you guys' son. And thank you to all the dad for supporting you girls too. Thank you so much.
Kevin, thank you for teaching us how to dance. Thank you, Kevin, for being our coach and teaching us dances and making our outfits.
Thank you for being a wonderful coach and teaching us all of this dances. And yeah.
And working so hard.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin, for teaching us dances and songs.
Thank you, Kevin, for teaching us how to do dances, and thank you for doing our makeup for competitions.
Hi, Kevin. I want to say that he's an amazing coach, and I really appreciate everything he's done. The funniest? I don't know. I laugh at everybody. So, Kalina, I don't know, I guess you could say she's the crazy one, but at the same time, she's not the crazy one. She twerks in the middle of nowhere. And then Grace, she is crazy too, but when we need to do something serious, she turns serious, and then she jokes around, then she turns serious again, and then she jokes around, and then she turns serious again. And Elise, and I guess it's kind of cool that she dances to K-pop songs. And then Vivi's crazy too. The most memorable time. I think it was the time we all started to become friends at one mug dance practice. Like we started socializing, and that's how we all became friends.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Chang and I'm 11 years old.
Hi, my name's Leanna Ving and I'm 12 years old.
Hi, my name is Kira Ving and I'm 10 years old.
Hi, my name is Saya Lee and I'm 11 years old.
Hi, my name is Kalina Chang and I'm 13 years old.
Hi, my name is Annalise Zhang and I'm 11 years old.
Hi, my name is Viviana Yang and I'm 11 years old.
Hi, my name is Grace Monato and I'm 12 years old.